Hi, I'm Bordner, sales manager at Roadwarrior. We're here at Truck World today showcasing our after-treatment products for the Kenworth trucks. We provide EGR coolers, DOC, DPF, SCR, all the sensors, dosers, and injectors that you need to keep your truck on the road and running effectively. We also provide our LightningVolt product, which is an APU battery for these sleepers that is going to reduce your idle time overnight, saving you on fuel costs. Where Roadwarrior differentiates itself is that we are a true one-to-one replacement for the OE. We're going to have the same precious metal content within our products as well as a one-to-one fit so that you don't need to worry about making it work with your system. That's going to save you money on diesel costs and allow the system to operate more efficiently, of keeping you on the road and having to replace your parts less frequently. Contact your local Kenworth dealer and inquire about Roadwarrior parts.